This is Sarjan Dira. Welcome to another episode of You Are Limitless. You Are Limitless, where dreams meet determination. A podcast by the NCC Directorate, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Today we have with us Cadet Rihanna, a gold medalist in the veteran show jumping Republic Day Camp 2024.
Saying everyone.
Welcome Rihanna. Congratulations on your DG commendation.
Thank you. I'm very happy to come here.
Tell me a little about yourself.
So, saying everyone, myself Cadet Rihanna. I'm from 1T R&B group, Hyderabad group. So, I'm studying in Rajendra Junior College, and also I'm an NCC cadet. That's all.
What made you join NCC and why R&B specifically?
What made me join NCC? So I was interested in NCC. I want to join NCC. So I was really so much interested in NCC. I don't know whether there will be horse riding specialized like that. There will be a horse riding also. So my seniors said that there is a college, in our college there is an NCC, you can join there and there will be better studies also. So I gone there and I had joined that college. After joining that college, there had been I had gone through selections for NCC selections. After selecting in that, got selected. I had got selected in NCC. After that, I had come to know that there is a R&B like this horse riding. So my senior also said that there is R&B in our college like horse riding. If you are interested, you are so young, you can do better like us only. You can do better than us also. They said you can join R&B and you can ride a horse also. So first I got to riding. I had mounted my horse, I had mounted the horse and I got
You had no prior experience before this?
No, I didn't experience नहीं था बहुत fear था. I was so much fear tense while I was mounting a first horse. It was my first horse and when I mounted my first horse, in first round only one round I had gone, I was fallen. मैं गिर गई थी इतना बुरा बहुत बुरा गिर गई थी. मतलब डर था वो, पहली बार चली थी ना तो वो डर था मुझे कि कहाँ इतना स्पीड जगह मैं कंट्रोल कर सकती है.
What is the name of your horse?
Okay, my horse name is Tamanna. I call my Tamanna nickname Tamanna. My horse is it is a body and it is the sweetest horse that I loved in my unit. It is only special to me. And
What is that special bond you share with your horse?
Special bond means me and my Tamanna riding is very good. All in our unit, they love our bonding, how we does the jump, how we attack the obstacle, my Tamanna's speed. So I love the speed of Tamanna. While at starting, I don't know what horse is that, what horse name is that. So after RDC 23, our senior said there is one horse Tamanna. It will do superb jumping. It has so much of strength. So I was interested and I was inspired the words. Oh, they are saying like this. Why should I try why should I don't try Tamanna? So I tried Tamanna. When I was riding Tamanna for first time and I was in an obstacle, I was doing the jumping. So I fell down in my times. I got hurt also. And so what happened?
Most of us, when it comes to NCC with Indian drill चलता है, we have 3 wings, but R&B is a lesser known unit, right? What is the actual RDC experience for an R&B cadet?
For me, in RDC, only riding. Morning, I have to go, riding को जाना है, morning उठना है, bridges पे जाना है, ready हो जाना है, helmet लेना है, चलो riding को. हमारे लिए RDC में हमारे लिए बस आती थी लेके जाने ग्राउंड के लिए. So बस में बैठना है फ्रेंड्स के साथ, एंजॉय कर लेके जाना है ग्राउंड को, जाके you have to do मालिश.
Okay.
We have to do their malish because we don't bath the horses in Delhi because it is so much of cold. They will be sick. So उसे जाके मालिश करना है, रेडी करना है, राइडिंग करना है dog. फिर वो हो गया बाद में we have to come again back to our like we have to come to barrack, go for rest, eating. After eating, again we have to come to get rest. After that, again riding evening. Again have to मतलब बस चढ़ना है, फिर बस में जाना है, फिर थोड़ी देर रेडी करना है, मालिश करना है, फिर we have to do riding.
So it is different than all the RTC gadgets, right?
Yes, in RDC मतलब मैं इतने दिन से interact भी नहीं किया है. मतलब always riding. But
What actually is the selection process? You walk us through it. Unit level से कैसे start होता है? How do you select your horse? How do you get it?
okay, first we have to be well trained. मतलब हमारे यूनिट में तो अच्छा ट्रेन करते हैं. पहले ट्रेन करते हैं ऐसे ऑब्स्टेकल को अटैक करना है. You have to go like this, you have to go slow, you have to go give position like according to the horse. So वो पूरा सीख के बाद में our coach will help you do that. After that, after doing all that, you have competitions like TRDC, same. Like in starting, we have to choose our horses. Which मतलब किसके साथ हम comfortable है मतलब jumping में. It is our choice only, not anyone's choice or not any force from others. So we have to choose our horses. So in my selection, I chose my horse Tamanna. So after choosing that horse, have to be ready for all competitions that are coming. In PRDC 1, I got all clear, 1 refuse. So I was like little tensed because I got 1 refuse. I was not clear like that. First round will be gone like that. There will be 3 rounds. In 3 rounds, all from Vijayawada and Tirupati, there will be all cadets coming from there for selections. From all of them, we have to play against them. मतलब we have to be better than them. उनसे अच्छा करना पड़ेगा. उनसे अच्छा करेंगे तो ही हम select हो पाएंगे आगे से.
And what are the events or competitions specifically? What was your event?
My event like
what all events are there? I mean, riding, you said no jumping.
Events. We will have show jumping, dressage, tent pegging for boys, not now for girls. It was for girls के लिए था पहले. Because of some incident, they took out that tent pegging, dressage, show jumping, axe. These are the competitions.
What was your event?
Like my event in Delhi.
Yeah.
In Delhi, like same show jumping, dressage, axe. In show jumping, all.
I'm sure you must have a lot of achievements. We would love to know that.
Okay. In show jumping, veteran girls, veterans means senior division. So I played that game. In that I got a silver and gold medal. After that dressage, I got a little bit nice, but I didn't.
Yeah, it's okay. It happens.
In axe is also same. And there will be after all of these competition, there will be last DG show jumping, where will be DG, the DG sir will be sitting and singers. On that day, there was only 1 girl, like me only from APLT, 1 girl. All were boys who was competing with me. I was also tense because all are boys and only the 1 girl that I am competing with them. Like their horses also were very nice. But the boys were so much scared because of my horse. They were saying, "Oh my God, Tamanna is coming here. Oh, I think it will only take
Tamanna reputation, I think.
Yeah, in 2024 RDC, Tamanna is a highlight. APLT from Tamanna. Oh, Tamanna is a horse. I wish I could have that horse." My friends were saying that. So in that DG show jumping, all the boys I was saying that we compete. All were competing very nice. So it was my turn. I was so much of tennis because of our speed also. After all clearing all that, I got 1070 score in top score. Top score we can attack any obstacle, any jump. Like if you have to score more, if you have to attack the highest one, there will be a joker jump on. Joker jump. In joker jump, it will be height very high. So it is very difficult to horses because if they want to joker jump one time, they have to बहुत stress लगाना पड़ता है horses को take up लेने फिर down होने. After that, if एक बार height jump करे बाद में horses second बार नहीं jump करते हैं. मतलब करते हैं second बार भी stress होता है. इसीलिए जोकर height jump के लिए दूसरी बार भी तमन्ना क्लियर आई थी. So that's why मेरे को high marks के आए थे. Highest पे आया था and it was speed. Yeah, it was so much of speed. It has like a shooting kid.
Who was your mentor throughout this RDC journey? I mean, as you told, you did not have any past experience, no? It was your first time mounting a horse. Who has trained you?
I have my coach, Sanjay sir, like JCO Sanjay Singh. He's my coach. From the beginning of my journey, he's only the one who said to join this RDC, you will be selected to RDC. He first only told it, you will be selected to RDC. He said to me. So I think, yeah sir, I will give my best, I will try sir for you also. So I started like this training. My JCO Sanjay sir trained me a lot. For that RDC preparation, he has done all preparations also for me. He has trained a lot.
Coming to Tamanna, I'm sure you must have the nice memorable moment with her.
Yeah, like Tamanna, I call Tamanna as Tammu. There will be like some other riders will call their horses like by whistling or doing something.
How do you call a horse?
Okay, first I call her Tammu baby. If she didn't listen, I will whistle her.
Do it for a moment.
Okay. Like I will do like this. She will come and she will check my hand if there is something to eat. Like they like jagged. Okay. Good. They will like good to eat. Horses like that so much. So she will search for that first. After coming to me, she will search for that, and after that, like, there is nothing. Okay, I will be standing like this. So, yeah, that's all.
What are the commands that you give to your horse?
Like commands, I call her as like Tammu baby. She will listen also. अब Tammu baby बुलाती हूँ और while jumping, I will say to her, अब बेटा, you have to मतलब caution command देना पड़ता है horses को jump करने के लिए. Like अब बेटा, slow जा बेटा. If I am fear, slow जा बेटा. If I am in मतलब बहुत जोश में हूँ और वो भी जोश में like she won't attack the obstacle, I will call her चल बेटा, like चल बेटा. She will listen that command also. She will do like that also. Like
Great
that
bond
much
with
of
the horse.
bonding I have with my horse.
Great to know that. We have a small game kind of thing, a rapid fire round. I'll give you some words.
Okay.
Just tell me the first thing that comes to your mind.
Yeah.
First thing about it, okay? Horse riding.
Horse riding. It's nice, मतलब fitness वाला, enjoyment वाला, क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब game type enjoyment fitness रहता है जिसमें like horse riding, horse घोड़े को चलाना with happiness and with my heart, bonding रहना horse के बीच में.
Single word. Tamanna.
It's my like heart, one part of my heart.
Your mentor, JCO Sanjay sir.
He's still from beginning to end, he's only the motivator for me.
RDC.
RDC, full of experience, full of joy. I loved it. मतलब RDC मतलब ऐसे रहता है RDC. Wow, that's all.
Okay. NCC, R&B specifically.
NCC R&B means love and care, love and take caring of horses and making bonds with them. It's very good and better for a human.
This is great, Rihanna. It was great having you today. Thank you for coming. Congratulations on all your achievements.
Thank you.
That's it for today's episode. This is You Are Limitless. You are limitless. Stay tuned for more. This is Dhiya signing off. Jai Hind.